Minutes after 6, Adom 106.3 FM. Dwaso Nsem newspaper headlines. Daily graphic front page. Christians mark Palm Sunday. Parliament approves Bono regional minister nominee, and Awasi begins today. Candidates go through biometric verification. Zoomland partners prisons to clean Accra. Daily graphic. Adom Nsem Ababa Betuja. Osei Chronicle newspaper and so anymore. Even an MP doesn't know how to vote, as Parliament records rejected ballot in endorsement of Bono minister. Wow. And as shown divisive politicians, that's according to President Adom Akufo-Addo, Ghana goes to pay $20 million dividend to government. And at the Herald newspaper front page, Akufo-Addo protect security minister, double Azugu and others, unwilling to act on Justice Emil Short Commission report. And a snake hint of major reforms in pension scheme, Mahama eulogizes Leocran. Ninyina Honsem Ewo. Herald newspaper name. Government to pollute pupils with Dankwa Buzia induced history. Sami Okujeto Black Hansemo no so the Informer newspaper, aftermath of short recommendation on Ayawaso West Wuogon violence, sack National Security Minister Akufo-Addo told. And on introduction of new school uniforms, AFAG blast government, says policy a misplaced priority. And I don't sell Commander Sugar Factory. Mahama advises Akufo-Addo. The Inquisitor newspaper front page, fake news on new JHS uniform, no contract awarded. It comes with a picture of a smiling Matthew Opoku Prempeh, Minister of Education, and Professor Kwesi Opoku Amankwa, GS Director General, Mfoni Nso Edaha. Migration from Cap 30 to SNET, police gurus in panic. Inquisitor Edia, but the new crusading guide, SEP's top shots in trouble. Senior commissioners summoned as police begin investigations into death of cadet recruit. And a police hunt for 8 key suspects. Vigilantism bail will help police work efficiently. The Daily Dispatch front page, except from Emil Short Commission report, storming Brimpont's home without court warrant was wrong, and as Sam George's conduct was ill-advised and endangered his own life. Ninyina Daily Dispatch Ediaba. The Inside newspaper, investors warned. Minister says it's risky to invest in Ghana's financial sector. Wow. It comes with a picture of Mrs. Cecilia Dapa. Daily Searchlight. Whose gold bars? Scandal in the corridors of Mövenpick Hotel. Technological innovations can help Africa's economic progress. Dr. Bawumia. Daily Guide front page. NAM1 pilot grilled over jet. And a chief thanks President for not coming by air. Stunning details in visa scandal report. Nina Daily Guide Adom Nsem Ababa. The Finder newspaper. Say no to division. President appeals to Ghanaians ahead of 2020 polls and a national service personnel to undertake service abroad. UPSA Ashesi Legon ranked among top universities in Sub-Saharan Africa. Okay, that's some good news in there. The Ghanaian Observer, Akufo-Addo assures new regions of equitable distribution of infrastructure, and Ghana is using technology to solve local problems. Vice President Bawumia. The Ghanaian Times newspaper, don't interfere with police investigations. President advises chiefs, and Christians must reflect spirit of humility. Reverend Bezo. Ghanaian Times front page. Meko ahomano so akwasha asie di nkomo. Nana Yaw Akwada, Executive Director, Bureau of Public Safety. Unim say Accra Tema Motorway ye was sentia Omanpenyi odi kan wo man ye mo Sergeant Dr. Kwame Nkrumah ye say ebeye highway free road ba enne sa wo hwe kwan na amount for critical acquiring the brain also. In fact, research at Chemua over 21 U-turns are illegal and amount for a criti on the motorway. And as some was say na Bureau of Public Safety aye research and kasa e wo kwan yi eso. Intana ya wakwada ababe kansa ye no enhwe ni nkomo. Nana akwaba Dwaso Nsem so ne Adom FM.
Ya nya metia oni wetie for so.
Na apom ye de.
Anyame Adom yeti nkom ne be de rade ase.
Ede ye nhwe Accra Tema motorway. Still la ye betimi akase edaso ye motorway.
Yo midasi bebre nukra woman say say ye hwe niema esisi ewo sa kwan ne so ebia in the last decade na ye hwe the state of the roads see as an etia me no ka say just a 19-kilometer stretch no ye were over 45 unauthorized U-turns ewo so out of which are 21 and as say no I effectively no more criteria when we use no abribia. Say a kwanya just a 19-kilometer stretch no. Every kilometer no. You were 12 crosses, pedestrian crosses per every kilometer. If you can call over 230 footpaths, such as a amount for and that's one more at motorway no. One more time no. Now uba behe say kwanya yede so ka biara etimi fa so eni ntene no ka say overtaking no enta si e wo motorway na mom undertaking na ACC so no I just say traffic obstruction ye was stops over 7 stops and major stop and pick up points e wo motorway ne so this anyama nyina etutu akwemu a me say abraso say ye be face reality as o mine na ye be introduce traffic lights any bus stops na ye ma hwan na akwan a edida nchen no wo nyina wo mutimi join ni esan se wo hwe efri tema eko Accra enkwana ye wo 28 access points ese kwan a amafo abubu a wo de be join ni motorway no wo hwe Accra batema so a 23 access points for efaso edi joining motorway in terms of abraso say abiding any better from non-share development or no amount kwan amanaba abeto way no na say mum obe redefine buffer zone no na wa clear the new buffer zone na fe old buffer zone amount for a breeze obe regularize no na abe joining motorway ni introduce traffic stops ni traffic light ni zebra crossing ni ekeka ebe baswa ye gidi say ne de nkebe bua bebre esen the state motorway no ewo musese no in this particular state no em say a death trap ema over the 65,000 vehicles that use it on daily basis.
And from research near who say cars baku 65,000 and they use motorway every day.
Yes, as at 2008, according to figures, Ghana Investment Promotion Center, they to drive buying site, as at 2008, 65,000 vehicles in the use in a day. And to me, say several years on to say, we should be having the number far in excess of the 65,000.
Absolutely, because DVLA forecast in a year they register close to 100,000 cars annually in Ghana, and I just say it's likely say figure never cost. But that's really interesting. Yatna say ashe ama development ana en was say a back close to the motorway no abba. And no nama babe here say sisiano. There is no other thing we can do. It's either say development about close to the motorway no ye be yi omo free ho and now say would provide stops and a traffic light on the motorway to meet sa development about close to motorway sa na woka
apacho sa pepe amenu ka say one of the even the dangerous things is secret wo honey say no you don't even have just a consistent flow of traffic in one direction. Say while you are on one stretch, which is supposed to go to the east or the south, you have traffic that's counter-flowing towards you on a stretch. Unam ma akra kwaya wo kono. Now cars on the sides they are traveling at top flow to you. And ayehu sesia pa ndi say the government or the state, Ghana Highway Authority, any Ministry of Road, any Ministry of Transport, be here some become one boom na any many take drastic and tangible actions on the motorway to secure the road for users.
Yeah, and monomo kase in order to secure the road, it was buying a facing reality. Na yema zebra crossings eba yema traffic light eba. What then that will mean? They say ye ni motorway bi. And you collapse this concept of a motorway. But obi nso beka say me research documents na mo kan say you counted 236 footpaths.
Absolutely.
Yes, in the median of motorway na manfo create ewo ho. Enti what about say abaye na dwen say or block our footpath ni nyina nso e?
Yo, me that say just take you off the footpath. So we share U-turns yeah, amount for bona U-turns out of 45 unauthorized U-turns 21 of them say you should say they combine say for every U-turn amount for bebo buying ebe blocking amount for in some of the cases baby buying a blocking normal buffer and I say is a need for the people. One more developments about two motorway necessary amount for will need to join the motorway or to use the motorway until they become very adamant when they create and the state blocks they create until baby nipa kakwemu basa no o create ya block ya saban esi sa kwan na wo mo besan ayeden ayefoforo ato. The only way I buy betimi aka say is secure motorway from unauthorized use by people is to fence the entire stretch of the motorway, which budget we are not certain as to our buying is ready to fence the entire stretch of the motorway. But here again is an option for the state to consider. Otherwise, all efforts are buying every year in the absence of a fence. The people will counter it. And in Tina, you kind 45 out of 45, 21 and they say effective. Yes, 24 acquire amount for a buying a blocky.
But the other thing is from a proposal Amodia Bay, not just the concept of motorway in free hokra because when you have the traffic lights but when you have the zebra crossings near there, it's no longer a motorway. But minimum so say motorway no for a reason. Na a reason by important, you reason we are now you if indeed you bet me a collapse and I see intimate collapse now. What was the reason for the motorway in the first place?
You may that say I may not be able to give you the exact reason why motorway but yen said the motorway stretchy to link Malam Highway from what we understand is one of trans-African route.
Yes.
Link Kumako other countries to our west or to the east. I mean baby. And the idea was to maintain a national route 1. I just say no a freeway, more like a freeway, less obstruction, linking Temahabo, Lubo, any other countries within the Africa sub-region. And say I na yintimi and protect and buying buffer zone or and no say amount for amount kiosk at the one solid waste in a cajon or be a num quaya woman managing a piling in a go and no one some maybe Canada because that be an no cry it me at the flooding issues about motorway so but that's for another day. Yatimia Tina say high ama for I so much developments are being motorway necessary. You know, because any private entities, but the state itself, you mounted a police station right within the buffer zone of the motorway. And you know, say it to me, I encroach you on the buffer zone, Emma motorway now. I think say we should admit say it has outlived its usefulness. Now we say what we have done is to present a danger that unsuspecting motorists daily have to maneuver. Me no kasa say utimi na motorway na car diwenim driver unity watwenensa ope passenger otonensa sa be biara obuhu passenger bia obegina. This is 100-kilometer stretch road. Say ekobane say ana say this is 100-kilometer limit route. Just say ubetimi akọ amino albino. The state allows you to speed up to 100 kilometers. Now so udi obienim udi obiechi na oyesa sudden stop ya. So one chon ho ankopi obile mu a wo de bebo no. One fan bona ubepie akodwiri nipa egu kwan ho. Enu ntino abraso say whatever purpose for which we created the motorway, we ourselves, by our making and unmaking, we have defeated the purpose. In Tebraso, say live up to reality and rather secure the lives and the properties of those who are using this toll road on daily basis.
Nana, my fancy, yeah, that's a panel page when I'm ready. Nana Yawakwada, Executive Director, Bureau of Public Safety, and Motesi Aneno Kasa. Dwaso Nsem Swini, Adom 106.3 FM. Yebe sorry, Adom Sports Page 1 at Wamoso. Yeba yebe sign at the Naposo Abremo. Stay with us. Yebe is here.